metric system, a little bit different of a manner than we have in the past. I wanted to try this video out for size. So metric system, what we talked about yesterday, or today rather, and we'll get started. Inch by inch, life's a cringe. Yard by yard, life is hard. Author is unknown. So the measurement systems. Now, there are two main measurement systems in the world. The first is the English. It's used only in the United States and in very few other countries of the world. The metric system is used pretty much all over the world except for three, United States being one of them. It is called the International System of Units, or SI for short. The difference between these two signs that I want you to pay attention to is that it's very clear that it shows 60 kilometers per hour versus there's nothing here to denote what speed or by what system that you should be using on this speed signs. Most common base units, the meter. Meter measures length, and the length is the distance between any 2 points. Gram. Gram measures the mass of something, and it's the amount of matter in an object. The liter measures liquid volume, and it's the amount of space an object takes up. Kelvin and Celsius measures temperature, how hot something is, how much actual kinetic motion is within all particles of that unit. Real quick, I want to go back to this, and I just want to write out that the meter, its abbreviation is an M. The grams abbreviation is a G. And the liters abbreviation is an L. Celsius is C, Kelvin is K. Now the different prefixes that will be added to base units. Note when we say we have I'm going to jump over it. White. So we say we have base, which is 1, and our base units are the meter, the liter, and the gram. So kilo is 1,000 bases. It starts with a K. Hecto, 100, has an H. Deca, 10, and I see it DK, or I have also seen it as a capital D. So pay attention to that. Be ready for that. Our worksheet does have a situation of both. Deci is 1/10, and it's abbreviated as a D. You can also look at this as 0.1. Centi is 100th with a abbreviation of a C, and that's 0.01. And finally, milli, abbreviation M, so that's a 0.001. Oh, sorry, out there, so I'm on a 0.001. And so you have an idea of where these are. Conversions, remember that this is kind of together here. So we always look at this in kind of a descending order. King Henry died, and then we go to this base here by drinking chocolate milk. All right. Another way that I really like to look at this, and sorry, wrong button. The way that I like to look at this too is to jump in and do it like this, where you have your staircase. You have 7 steps, and K, H, I draw a big D, most common. We go to our base units. The little d, little c, little m. And King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk, or King Hector died by drinking chocolate milk, or King Hector's daughter drinks chocolate milk. However you want to use it. Simple conversion here. Example of this, when we kind of look at these together here, our base units, we have liters, grams,
Austin
meter.
Chase, come to the office.
We're dealing with 50 grams. So how many kilos are in 50, how many kilos is 50 grams? It's 0.05. But there's also 50,000 milligrams. When we write these, something I noticed a lot was going on in class was that people were getting confused. When we had these ladders, laid out like this, and we had, okay, King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. And I asked you to do something like this. I said, I want to take 5 kilometers and take it to meters, right? A lot of students were trying to make these jumps from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way down to this milli. This is not, this bottom part here, you always think millimeter, milliliter, milligram, okay? That's that first M. Whenever we deal with these abbreviations of this, that's the first M there. These are the first M's together. If I'm looking for this M up here like this, that's the base M. That M comes from the base of meter, liter, or gram. A full meter, liter, or gram. So you need to be careful with that. I had a lot of problems coming out of those. That's the shortened down version of this PowerPoint. It will be uploaded today. And thank you. Have a good day.